Al-Shaykh Al-Allama Ehsan Ilahi Zahir was born on 31st May 1945 in Sialkot. His father, Haji Zahur Ilahi, was a religious and pious person. Sheikh Ehsan memorized the Quran in the Madrasa Darul Uloom Ash-Shihabiyya in Sialkot. Then his father sent him to Al-Jamia Al-Islamiyya in Gujranwala, and then afterwards Sheikh Ehsan went to Al-Jamia Salafiyya in Faisalabad, and later he studied in Islamic University of Medina. After completing his studies in Medina, the Sheikh went to Lahore, where he became the Imam of Masjid Ahlul Hadith Chinyawali, which is the historical Ahlul Hadith Masjid. After returning to Pakistan, the Sheikh obtained numerous magistrate degrees from Punjab University in Arabic, in Persian, in Urdu, in English, in philosophy, in Sharia, and in law and politics. Sheikh Ehsan Ilahi Zahir launched his own magazine called as Tarjuman Al-Hadith, which is still published today. Sheikh Ehsan's father was a great Muslim who would regularly pray Salatul Duha and Qiyam al-Layl, and he would stress his children to pray Nawafil. His father wanted his eldest son, Sheikh Ehsan Ilahi Zahir, to be similar to Ibrahim Mir Sialkoti and Thanaullah Amritsari. Sheikh Ehsan Ilahi Zahir wrote in Al-Majalla Al-Arabiya, number 87, that he memorized the Quran at the age of 9. Sheikh Ehsan's main teachers were Hafiz Muhammad Al-Gondalvi, Sheikh Abdul Barakat Ahmad ibn Ismail Al-Madarsi, Sheikh Muhammad Sharifullah, Hafiz Abdul Wahab Al-Badimalwi, Sheikh Abdul Aziz ibn Baz, Sheikh Abdul Muhsin Al-Abbad, Sheikh Muhammad Amin Al-Shinqiti, Sheikh Atiyya ibn Muhammad ibn Salim, Sheikh Hamad ibn Muhammad Al-Ansari, Sheikh Abu Bakr Al-Jazairi, Sheikh Abdul Qadir Shayba Al-Hamd, Sheikh Muhammad Al-Muntasir Al-Kattani, Sheikh Abdul Ghaffar Hassan, Sheikh Dr. Muhammad Al-Ashqar, Sheikh Muhammad Shaqra. Sheikh Ehsan wrote numerous books, and King Faisal on his own expenses bought all the books of Sheikh Ehsan and sent them to Al-Maktaba and centers of knowledge in the kingdom, and also to different countries, libraries, and scholars. Martyrdom of Sheikh Ehsan Ilahi Zahir, Inshallah. On the 23rd March of 1987, the Sheikh, during a speech in Qila Kishman Singh on Ravi Road in Lahore, was injured after a bomb exploded. On 29th March, upon the recommendation of King Fahad bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, the Sheikh was transported to Faisal Military Hospital in Riyadh, but the Sheikh passed away 22 hours later, and he was buried in Medina in the cemetery of Al-Baqi. The bomb exploded under the platform on which scholars were seated, killing over 18 people and injuring 114. One-third of Sheikh Ehsan's body was injured, including his left eye, left ear, left arm, and left leg. After staying 4 days in an hospital in Lahore, the Sheikh was taken to Riyadh for further treatment, and he spoke to a journalist at Lahore airport saying that he would, inshallah, come back and carry on his dawah. But unfortunately, the Sheikh passed away in Riyadh. His body was washed there, and Sheikh Ibn Baz prayed Salatul Janaza, and then the body of the Sheikh Ehsan was transported to Medina, and scholars of Medina received the body of Sheikh with Sheikh Atiyya Salim, and the people prayed his funeral prayer in the prophetic mosque, and afterwards the Sheikh was buried in Al-Baqi. May Allah bless our Sheikh with Jannah. Ameen.